while producing natural angles in hair transplant surgery, one should keep in mind few things. It is angle and direction. It is not only angle and direction. If you are doing hair transplant surgery, you should know how can you produce acute angles. And without producing acute angles in the frontal area, you cannot give natural look. And in the right direction, if the hair are coming in the frontal scalp, like in this direction, you need to produce parallel to that direction. And if they are going in this direction, you need to produce in the same direction. And if they are going in this direction, you need to produce the same direction. And if they are going in the temple, like inferior and posterior direction, you need to produce the same direction if you are transplanting in the temple area especially, and you need to produce very acute angles in the temporal area if you are interested to produce natural looks in the temporal area. It is very important. It is very important to produce natural angles in the whole scalp. In the frontal area, it is different angle, and in the mid scalp, if you are going behind from the front to the vertex area or crown area, you have to be careful, because angle in the frontal scalp is different, angle in the mid scalp is different, and the crown area is very different. And while producing only crown area, you need to be careful in putting a natural direction, because you need to produce whorls in the crown area, and moreover the angles in the whorls, they are quite different. In the lateral area it is different, in the medial area it is different, in the frontal crown it is different, in the posterior crown it is totally different. So you need to be very careful in producing angles and directions in the crown area. I have given you the idea in different videos that how to produce natural angles in the crown area and the vertex area especially, and in the mid scalp area. You need to be very careful. You need to be very careful while doing a transplant surgery in the frontal scalp, in the temporal area, in the mid scalp, and the vertex, because angle, direction, it changes everywhere with every centimeter of the scalp. So this is very important in producing natural looks. It is not simple. It is not simple. That's why I have been saying to you that you need to be careful in selecting a doctor for you. It is not only hair transplant surgery, it is a complex package of everything. You need to produce natural looks, you need to produce 100% or maybe 95% growth. You need to produce natural angles, direction, and everything in the hair transplant surgery. So you need to choose true experts for yourself. It is not about money, it is about your personality. If wrong hair can ruin your personality and donor area especially. You cannot do multiple surgeries with this limited donor area. You cannot be repaired if one wrong surgery is done with you. So you need to be careful in choosing a doctor for yourself, especially once you want to produce natural looking, eventless hair transplant for yourself. Thank you very much.